Negros with the first possession. Alvarez, quick catch and shoot, puts it in. Terence Fortea, no good. Soyud, their effort will go in.
In Calisaan, whenever they're both on the floor, expect a lot of points in the paint for San Juan.
Nice looking stroke from.
Offensively for San Juan.
Yeah, it's been quite a struggle for him this season. And then DJ Howe attacking his defense. Take the lead back. Alvarez got stripped. Wekote. They laid in for two. On the move. Hefty finish. Doesn't go in. Tapikan ng bola. Na kay Soyud. Second basket of the quarter for Raul Soyud. Alvarez ulit.
Mid-range for him hasn't been his friend. Look at the two big men again. Calisaan, one more time.
Sending it to Raul Soyud, who then finds Mike Calisaan.
Oh.
Ganda rin ng pasa. Jeff Bulawan soars and scores. Alarcon, bounce pass to Mike Calisaan.
Same play. Returning the favor etong San Juan.
Alvarez finally, sorry, it's, tama, 65-59. Follow up by Fortea, balik sa walong ang lamang ng San Juan. Couple of bounces, it rims out. Calisaan ulit, gumulong paloob. Mikey Alvarez rattles in the jumper at this point. Na agawan. Tatakbo si Manalang.
Full court pressure and easily broken by San Juan.
Soyud. Nakakailan na rin dito. Harold still with a rock. No look pass inside. Calisaan lays it in. Ganda ng pasahan ng San Juan.
Madalis na umakit ang kalamangan ng San Juan to 10 points. Let's see if there's an answer back by Negros.
Pinilit ni Manalang. A second remaining. Achi Inigo short. Running start. Fortea sets up Mike Calisaan for another easy basket.
Calisaan has got now.
Relax no first two quarters. Second chance points and rebounding department were also emphasized heading here in the second half. Balik po na sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Daphne. Nag-iinit pa rin eh. Alarcon steps back, shoots over Villahar. Si Soyud na naman ang nakapulot at nakapuntos.
Para dito San Juan and another turnover. You can see San Juan running one more time.
Panganiban lays it in. This might have been a blowout already, but instead they still remain within striking distance. But that's not to be an attacking game of Nico Panganiban. Kicking into another gear. Villahar puts in the three, his second one of the ball game. Barely crossing the timeline in time. Dignadice, tuloy na nawala sa kanyang bola. Torres on the attack. Your code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph.
Ganito itong San Juan naman, they're not lacking in big men that actually can fill up the spot.
Which was a huge factor, by the way, when they dealt Abra their lone loss of the season. Enrile, naagawan ni Wamar, marami pang oras para sa San Juan. Textbook fast break, look away. Wamar setting up next to Marquez. At dyan nagtatapos ang third quarter where San Juan